In this video, I will teach you how to download and install Zoom app on your Windows PC. First, you can open your any browser and click to search Zoom download. Now you can see the first website. Open this website zoom.us. Now you can see the Zoom Workplace desktop app. Click to download button. Now downloading is started. Wait for download completion. Now my download is completed. Now click to open. Now I click to open. Wait for setup opening. Now Zoom Workplace installer is loading. Wait. Now click on yes. Now my installing is completed. Wait for Zoom app opening. Now you see this page. The installation was successful. Click on done. Now click on join meeting if you have joined any meeting. Now I click on join meeting. Now I enter the meeting ID or personal link. Now I don't have join meeting. Now I click on sign up. Is loading. Wait. Now enter your birth year. Now I enter my birth year and click to continue and enter your email, and you can continue with your Google address. Okay. Now you can sign up on Zoom app and use the Zooming app now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video.